Hello everyone, myself Tangraj from Final Year Triple E department. Here I will go to take a seminar on the topic of mechanism of lightning discharge and the characteristics of lightning strokes. Let us start from the basic definition. Lightning discharge occurred in the lightning, the visible discharge of electricity that occurs when a region of a cloud acquires an excess electrical charge, either positive or negative, that is sufficient to break down the resistance of air. Cloud to ground lightning discharge showing the bright main channel and secondary branches. In order for an electrostatic discharge to occur, two preconditions are necessary. Firstly, a sufficient high potential difference between two regions of space must exist. And secondly, a high resistance medium must obstruct the free, unimpaired equalization of opposite charges. The atmosphere provides the electrical insulation or barrier that prevents free equalization between charged regions of opposite polarity. The three types of lightning. There are three primary types of lightning which include cloud to ground, the most commonly known type, cloud to air, and cloud to cloud. With cloud to ground lightning, the rapid discharge of lightning is channel of negative charge that is attracted to positively charged ground. Mechanism of lightning discharge. Let us now discuss the manner in which a lightning discharge occurs when a charged cloud passes over the earth. It induces an equal and opposite charge on the earth below. Negatively charged cloud inducing a positive charge on the earth below it. As the charge acquired by the cloud increases, the potential between cloud and earth increases and therefore gradient in the air increases. When the potential gradient is sufficient to break down the surrounding air at the value of 5 kilovolt centimeter to 10 kilovolt centimeter, the lightning stroke starts. As soon as the air near the cloud breaks down, a streamer cloud leader streamer or pilot streamer starts from the cloud towards the earth and carries charge with the leader stream will continue its journey towards earth as long as a cloud, from which organites feeds enough charge to it to maintain gradient at the tip of leader streamer above the strength of air. If the gradient is not maintained, the leader streamer stops and the charge is dissipated without the formation of a complete stroke. The lightning strikes classified by two strokes, direct and indirect. In other words, the leader streamer will not reach the earth. Leader streamer being unable to reach the earth as gradient at its end cloud not be maintained above the strength of air. It may be noted that current in the leader streamer low, less than 100 amps, and its velocity of propagation is about 0.05% that of velocity of light. Moreover, the luminosity of leader is also very low. The path of leader streamer is path of ionization and therefore a complete breakdown of insulation. The direct stroke. In the direct stroke, the lightning discharge is directly from the cloud to subject equipment and overhead line. The overvoltage set up due to the stroke may be large enough to flash over this path directly to the ground. The direct strokes can be of two types, that is stroke A and stroke B. This is the diagram easily we understand. And then indirect stroke. The action can be compared with the closing of a switch between the positive and negative terminals, the downward leader having negative charge and return streamer the positive charge. This phenomenon causes the sudden spark which is called lightning, which the with the resulting neutralization of much of the negative charges on the cloud. Any further discharge from the cloud may be have to originate from some other portion of it. Harmful effect of types of lightning strikes. Lightning stroke definition explains that when the electric field intensity at some point in charged concentrated cloud exceeds the breakdown value of the moist ionized air, an electric streamer with plasma starts towards the ground with velocity about 1 bar 10 times that of the light, but may progress only about 50 m or so before it comes to a halt, emitting a bright flash of light. A halt may be due to insufficient buildup of electric charge at its head and not sufficient to maintain the necessary field gradient for further progress of the streamer. But after a short interval about 10 microseconds, the streamer again starts out repeating its performance. The total time required for such a stepped leader to reach the ground may be 20 milliseconds. The mechanism of lightning strokes and the electrical discharge due to lightning stroke definition are explained based on the streamer or canal theory for spark discharge in long gaps with non-uniform electric fields. The mechanism of lightning strokes consists of a few separate discharges starting from leader discharge and accumulates in return strokes or main discharge. The main parameters and characteristics. The rate of the rise, the probably distribution of the above and wave shapes of the lightning voltage and current. The strokes in the lightning discharge, countable by their numbers. The high current peak may last for some tens microseconds followed by a long duration low current portion lasting for several milliseconds. These are the wave shaping of the difference from time to peak in microsecond and probability of exceeding the value in percentage. After the leader touches the ground, the return stroke follows as the leader moves towards the ground. Positive charge is directly accumulated under the head of the stroke or canal. By the time the stroke reaches the ground or comes sufficiently near to the ground, the electrical field intensity on the ground side is sufficiently large to build up the path. Hence, the positive charge returns to the cloud neutralization the negative charge and hence heavy current flows through the path. The velocity of the return or main strokes ranges from 0.05 to 0.5 times velocity of light, and currents will be of order of 1000 to 250,000 amps. Let's see about advantages. It provides considerable protection against direct lightning strokes on transmission line. A ground wire provides damping effect on any disturbance traveling along the line as it acts as a short-circuited secondary. It provides a certain amount of electrostatic shielding against external field. Thus, it reduces the voltage induced in the line conductors due to the discharge of a neighboring cloud. And then the disadvantages. It requires additional cost. There is a possibility of its breaking and falling across the line conductors, thereby causing a short circuit fault. This objection has been greatly eliminated by using galvanized stranded steel conductors as ground wires. This provides sufficient strength to ground wires. Conclusion. Lightning is one of the nature's most concentrated ways of releasing energy, which why it can be so deadly. A person has a 1 in 3000 chance being struck by lightning in their lifetime. but by being aware a person could reduce this chance significantly. By National Geography, through educational, people can raise their awareness and understanding of lightning strikes, therefore reducing their risk of injury or death. Thank you.